As members of the National Assembly, sense of having this immunity within the complex, do you think that if it goes beyond, it will actually curtail this seemingly indiscriminate arrest of members?
Well, I will not support members of National Assembly to have immunity, because there is no house in the world, including the US, where we copied the presidential system of government from, that House members, lawmakers enjoy immunity. The immunity they have already in what they say on the floor of the House is okay, and that is what we should maintain, because having immunity outside the complex questions the credibility of the National Assembly.
Thank you for being concise and precise. Thank you.